Hi everyone, it's Aya and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be part of Altenew Hub again today. The theme is Harvest Hues, where we use fall autumn colors. Be sure to check out the video hub list below to see the amazing creations by other Altenew educators. For today's project, I chose the Mushroom Garden Layering Stencil set. And for my colors, I went with warm tones like red, purple, yellow, and green. I use Altenew inks set like Nature Wonders and Sugarplums Fresh Dye Inks. All supplies I use are linked in the description below. To set up for the stenciling, I grabbed my waffle flower sticky mat and some watercolor paper because it was the closest thing I had nearby. The stencil set comes with 4 layers. I placed the first layer on my paper. Each stencil is etched with a number in the middle bottom, with each side facing up and the smooth sides down on the paper. The first stencil colors the mushroom caps. I added 2 shades using a light color for one half and a darker shade for the other, even though there is a stencil specifically for shadows. I used warm purple, warm red, and warm yellow for the mushroom caps. My inks were super juicy, so it's bled a little, but that's okay. Next, I placed the second stencil for the mushroom stems. I used 2 shades of brown. I was looking for my Altenew micro blending brush set, but I couldn't find them, so I used my waffle flower brushes instead, though they do not pick up color as well as I would like. Side note, I have a stash page where I sell my gently used items at a great prices. The link in the description box if you are interested. Anyway, I switched to my Altenew regular blending brushes to finish the stems. For the third stencil, which adds details to the mushroom and colors the leaves, I used warm green. Finally, for the fourth stencil, I decided to apply white imposing paste by Altenew to add some texture and pop up of brightness, and it turned out beautifully. I noticed some of the stems were not fully colored, so I used a Copic marker to blend and add shadow. I'm planning to make this 6x6 card, so I trimmed the white edges using a paper trimmer. To add extra shine, I applied bronze and red Nuve crystal drop to the mushroom caps and leaves. I also chose a background from an American craft paper pad and trimmed it to 6x6 inches. To finish off, I used foam tape and add dimension to my panel. For the sentiment, I use Altenew You Are Loved dye, cutting it twice, once from craft foam and once from orange cardstock. Then layer them for extra dimension. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more cards using Learning Stencil, be sure to check out my other video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.